Hi, my name is David. I'm the Riding Academy Manager here for East Orlando Harley-Davidson. For today's Harley hack, we're going to discuss motorcycle gloves. Gloves are an important part of your riding attire. They protect you and give you the feel that you need when you're riding. You wouldn't wear a baseball glove to work in the garden. You wouldn't wear gardening gloves to work on the oil rig. You wouldn't wear work gloves to ride your motorcycle. It's important that the gloves you wear are right for riding a motorcycle and designed specifically for doing so. Gloves that are designed specifically for riding a motorcycle are going to have curved fingers so that your hands don't have to fight against the material in order to comfortably ride on that motorcycle while still allowing you the protection that you need. When you look at gloves and you think about the gear that you're going to need to ride safely, you need to have a good feel for the controls. So you're going to want gloves that are going to give you that kind of a feel, and they need to fit properly. Some of the things you might consider is the material that the gloves are made out of, possibly outside seams so that they don't bother your fingers. If you're riding in hotter weather, you might want a glove that's ventilated so that air can get to your hands, but yet at the same time still protect you should something hit you or if you have a get off. In colder climates, you may want gloves that are insulated. Not only are they going to protect you from the elements, but they're going to also allow you to keep feeling in your hands when the weather gets cold. You want to make sure that the gloves can be tightened to keep the air and anything out of and off your hands. Another feature to consider is wet. Gloves need to also protect you from the rain. Some gloves are waterproof, and if you're going to have a rain suit, getting cold, wet hands when the rest of your body is dry doesn't help riding much. You want to make sure that you choose gloves that are not only going to keep you dry, but protect you in a fall, shaped to give you the comfort that you need, and in the long run are going to last. You might want to consider paying a little more for a good pair of gloves because they're going to pay off in the end with the length of time that they're going to last and the protection and comfort they're going to give you, making your ride the best it can be. So always look for gloves that are going to offer the most protection, give you the best feel, and allow you to ride in the comfort that you deserve. This is David for East Orlando Harley-Davidson's Riding Hack of the Week. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, now is a great time to do so. We look forward to seeing you out on the road. Ride safe. See you soon.
And perfectly cool.
This is David for East Orlando Harley-Davidson's Riding Hack of the Week. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, now is a great time to do so. We look forward to seeing you out on the road. Ride safe. See you soon.